Ideomotor eye exercises is good for people with serious cases of strong myopia or hyperopia, or if any eye diseases. For example, if the eyes strain too much, how to do ideomotor exercises? You close your eyes and in your imagination only, do not move your eyes, but under closed eyelids very clearly, imagine as if you are making a circle with your eyes. Still, your task is to make a perfect circle. You can make a perfect circle in your imagination, it's not difficult, and you will understand it. It is okay if your eyes move under closed eyelids. It is just the next step after you master ideomotor eye exercises. For people with myopia, I recommend making a small circle in the distance, as if you are looking far away, and making this circle you can imagine that there is some kind of house opposite, and around some window of this house draw an even perfect circle in one direction and vice versa in the other direction. For people with farsightedness, people with hyperopia, on the contrary, make a circle close to their face. Can make a big circle. In reality, the eye muscle may not be able to make a big circle due to eye muscle spasm, but in the imagination you can make this circle very close and very huge. Imagine what the beauty is. And if you do it several times in the imagination, then this movement will be remembered in the cerebral cortex and the control centers of the brain. And having done such exercises in your imagination, you will be able to do it in reality in the future. In fact, your vision will get better with such exercises. Some mentors train boxers with such exercises. That is a well-known trick. Ideally, in the imagination, a person imagine how he moves correctly without muscle limitation. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below. Just close your eyes for a minute and do this exercise. First you do circle, then you do more complex trajectories. For example, figure 8. The most important thing is to do them perfectly and your vision start to work better, because what you did in your imagination was reflected in the cortex of the brain, part that is responsible for eye movement, and from there the signal is respectively transmitted to the eye muscles, and the muscles will begin to move perfectly, correctly, under the influence of your imagination. Use this workout anytime you can until you develop the habit of looking correctly. Just do little by little. You can start doing at least a circle today. Do not rush to make a figure 8 or more complex figures.